Hey, David Lindsay here, Central Florida, David Skywatch. It's about 7 o'clock, looking towards sunset. I'm doing a collaboration today with Florida Skywatcher. Skywatcher's 2 words. Hit up his channel and check it out. We're both filming at 7, as well as with Mama Bird Borel. That's MOMABIRD BOREL. 3 words. Mama Bird Borel. She'll be filming at 7 o'clock as well. We're all going to be pointing our cameras towards sunset at the same time. So go ahead and hit her site up. I would put links in the description, but I do not know how to do that. I just started doing this stuff. We got a lot of energy going on in the clouds. I'm outside Tampa, inland. Hope everybody's having a great day today. It's almost like thunderheads used to look like back in the day, but that is not a thunderhead. That is just a cloud that seems to be growing out of the ground. Wow, right? Should be yellow. Everything's blue. We do got some energy clouds going on up here. They start to back up and wrinkle on each other and bubble up. Take a look back, look the other way. This is opposite side of sunset. All right, hit those other websites I mentioned. Peace out.